I just got finished with my hike, and this Mercedes parked next to me. So cool. The rims. A new problem actually occurred, you guys. So mostly everything is done, and hopefully this week everything will be done and finished, because the car is going back to the shop one more time, obviously, because of this. But basically what's happening here is that my mechanic was able to clear everything, the emergency call malfunction, and fix the tool. The tool was because of, you know, the little emoji, the tool emoji that was popping up right here. Well, that was because there was like a faulty ground signal in the battery, and I guess that was making like the airbags pop up. So they fixed that. That was like not really a big issue. And then the emergency call. So the emergency call got fixed, and basically it's never gonna come back, but it's not like coded right now, and it needs to be recoded. So the fuse box that's on top of the car where the antenna is, basically like in the antenna, has to be recoded by BMW. So yes, that's what's gonna happen this week. This week the car is gonna go back to BMW to get that thing coded, and then hopefully all the problems should be done. And we could go back to having our OEM M340 back, because this car is completely stuck, and it shouldn't have nothing on the dash. So, but it is obviously my fault for getting the roof wrap and not like really paying attention to it to see if it was like sealed properly, and obviously washing the car and it raining, if it even came from that. But I'm pretty sure it did, because like that's where the main problem is. But yes, hopefully this week it's all done. It's Monday today, so the car's gonna go to the shop, like, I don't know, probably on Thursday or Friday, and stay the weekend, and then maybe stay the weekend. I'm gonna see how it goes down. This stuff shouldn't take more than like a few days, so we will see. Yeah, I'm gonna go home right now, guys, and I'll catch you guys later. And then I ended up telling my mechanic what happened, and he said he could fix it for me. And then we were like going through with that process, but then we realized that some things only BMW could code. So we got to all the way to the last point, put it in, got it working, but now it just needs to be coded by BMW again. So I'm gonna end up doing that this week sometime. I'm gonna call them up and see. But yeah, if they try to quote me something crazy, I think I'm gonna just wait and just trade this for a G80, because I do want a G80, and it's like been in the works. But I just don't know what I want to do with the M340. Like, I really like the M340, but I don't think it's worth it to keep it. I don't want to sound like ungrateful or nothing, because I love this car, and I love this car, and I'm happy I have this car. But I don't want to seem like I'm just trading it because it doesn't work anymore. No, like, I'm trading it because I've been wanting to, but I didn't know if I wanted to keep it and get a G80. But I think I'm gonna just trade it, since all this stuff is like happening to it. By the way, none of this is the BMW's fault, like, at all. It's all my fault. I'm the one who unwrapped the roof and water damaged it, basically. So that's all on me. Not like this malfunction has nothing to do with the BMW. This is my fault. This is purely my fault. So yeah, we're just gonna have some more fun with this car, and then just wait out the G80 and a bunch of other things that are coming. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go home and just chill. I haven't uploaded a vlog in like 2 weeks, but I've had the car for like a few days. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. and I'll keep you guys updated on my day. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I honestly might take it to BMW today, but probably not because they're gonna want to keep it for a minute. But I'm gonna call them, ask them, see what's popping with them, and we'll go from there, honestly. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Oh my god, that dash is crazy. Okay. Okay, restraint system. Okay, restraint system. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's back. Me. Literally, that's it. Just me. This is me. This blankness is me. When the M340 is blank, I'm blank. Just know that. When the M340 is fucking blank, I'm fucking blank. The car is pretty clean now. I'm about to get home, and tomorrow the car is gonna go to BMW for an oil change because it's saying it needs oil. Not me driving it like this when it needs oil. Fuck it. Good morning, people. It's currently 9:46 a.m. It's Monday again. It's been like a week and so much has happened. So the tool is back, which I already talked to my mechanic about, and we're gonna just like get a whole new part for that to fix, because that's all that can happen at this point, because this is like not okay. And we thought we fixed it, but it came back. So, and also the car needs oil, so I'm about to go take it to get an oil change right now. And yeah, I'll update you guys. I'm gonna take it to BMW, of course, because complimentary oil changes are dub, and they don't really question anything. So yeah, right now I'm gonna just take it to BMW, and then I'll update you guys afterwards. But this is what it's looking like right now. I did the interior clean yesterday, which you guys will probably see before this clip, because that was yesterday. But yeah, so now we're going to BMW, so I'll catch you guys up when we're over there. Also, I have to put gas right now again, literally, but it's okay. So first we're gonna go to the gas station and then hit the road. Oh, look at all these damn dusty, crusty little things. Get the fuck off my car. Yeah, the Benvest clean, bro. The Benvest clean, the Benvest clean, bro. The Benvest clean, bro. It's not dead ass clean inside. Alright. There's no oil change necessary, you feel me? Car's going back to the shop on Monday though. Yesterday while I was getting my oil changed, I like went into the BMW shop and I bought like these wipes for the leather. So I'll let you know how they are. I'll let you guys know how they are. But interior car wipes and leather car wipes. BMW brand, don't play. Oh. I'm gonna also brought this with me, because those cowards really, when they gave me an oil change, it really wrote has a can and filter. So I brought my BMW one back to put it back, because they're just cowards. Like, why do they need to write that down? So I'm gonna put this one back into the Benve. It's just a BMW one. Like, I don't know why they were like being so about it, but I'm gonna try these in a bit. I'll let you guys know how they are. The car's pretty clean. But yeah, that's about it. I'm just putting this stuff back in the car because I forgot it. So the thing in this bag is pretty sick. It has like a tire mark on it. Okay, we're fucking with that.